Welcome to my channel Wheelie Smart. Introduction. A car emergency kit is a critical lifeline when unexpected situations arise on the road, from breakdowns to accidents or severe weather. Having the right essentials in your vehicle ensures you're prepared to handle emergencies safely and effectively. This guide outlines the must-have items for every car's emergency kit, explaining their importance and how they contribute to your safety and peace of mind. First aid kit. A comprehensive first aid kit is non-negotiable for any car. It should include adhesive bandages, sterile gauze pads, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, scissors, and a digital thermometer. Pain relievers, antihistamines, and burn ointments are also vital. In case of accidents, these supplies allow you to treat minor injuries like cuts or burns immediately, preventing infection or complications until professional help arrives. Check expiration dates regularly and restock as needed to ensure readiness. Jumper cables. Dead batteries are a common issue, often leaving drivers stranded. Jumper cables, at least 10 feet long and 8 gauge or thicker, enable you to jump start your car with help from another vehicle. Knowing how to use them safely, connecting positive to positive and negative to a grounded metal surface, is crucial. This tool can save you from costly towing or long waits for roadside assistance, making it an essential for every emergency kit. Spare tire and tools. A flat tire can happen anywhere, and a spare tire, along with a jack, lug wrench, and tire pressure gauge, is your solution. Ensure the spare is properly inflated and compatible with your vehicle. A wheel chock and gloves add safety during tire changes. Familiarize yourself with the process outlined in your car's manual to handle this efficiently, minimizing downtime and ensuring you can get back on the road quickly. Flashlight and batteries. Visibility is critical during nighttime breakdowns or in low light conditions. A durable, waterproof flashlight with extra batteries or a rechargeable model ensures you can see and be seen. LED flashlights are bright and energy efficient, ideal for signaling for help or working on your car. Keep it easily accessible in your kit to avoid fumbling in the dark during an emergency. Reflective warning triangles. If your car breaks down, especially on busy roads, reflective warning triangles alert other drivers to your presence. Place them at least 100 feet behind your vehicle to provide ample warning, reducing the risk of collisions. These are more effective than flares, as they're reusable, weather-resistant, and don't pose fire hazards. They're a simple yet life-saving addition to your emergency kit. Basic toolkit. A basic toolkit with a multi-tool, screwdriver set, pliers, and an adjustable wrench can address minor mechanical issues. Duct tape and zip ties are also handy for temporary fixes, like securing loose parts. While not a substitute for professional repairs, these tools can help you manage small problems, such as tightening a loose battery terminal, until you reach a mechanic. Blankets and warm clothing. Stranded in cold weather, you'll need to stay warm, especially if help is delayed. A wool or thermal blanket retains heat effectively, while extra clothing like gloves, hats, and socks provides additional insulation. These items are compact, easy to store, and critical for preventing hypothermia, ensuring comfort and safety during prolonged waits. Non-perishable food and water. Food and water sustain you during extended emergencies. Bottled water, at least 1 liter per person, and high-energy snacks like granola bars, nuts, or dried fruit are ideal. They're shelf-stable and provide quick energy without requiring preparation. Rotate these supplies every 6 months to maintain freshness, ensuring you're never caught without sustenance. Portable phone charger. A dead phone can cut you off from help. A portable charger or power bank with multiple charges keeps your device operational for emergency calls, GPS navigation, or contacting roadside assistance. Include a compatible charging cable and store it in a waterproof bag to protect it from moisture, ensuring reliable communication when you need it most. Conclusion. An emergency kit tailored to your car's needs is an investment in safety. Regularly inspect and update your kit, considering factors like local weather and driving habits. Store items in a sturdy, waterproof container in your trunk for easy access. By equipping your vehicle with these essentials, you're prepared to face unexpected challenges with confidence, protecting yourself and your passengers. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.